Hello everybody. This hat I have a special order in the internet and I got it delivered yesterday. And as you can see, no rain. From April 1st, 2023 until September 11th, 2026. And Revelation 11:6 is the foundation of this message. And please write down this date and keep studying the Bible prophecy. And I hope you guys understand this Bible prophecy even before we get to this date. And this message will be tested by God. So let us open the Revelation chapter 11 and keep studying it until we have a full understand. God bless you.